Now let's get cracking at manufacturing. Alright, as you can tell, I'm really excited to show you all of the fun things Odoo Morp has to offer for your manufacturing business. But as always, first things first, let's start with the basic now. The bill of materials, or BOM for my acronym lovers, is a crucial manufacturing document that lists all of the components and the assembly, instructions and operations that go into. It's your recipe for whatever you're trying to produce, complete with a list of ingredients and instructions if we're talking about like something Gordon Ramsay related now inside of this video. I will show you how to build a bill of materials from scratch. No, you don't actually have to do anything here. And I will also show you how to add assembly instructions for your line. Workers now in other videos, I'm going to cover more manufacturing basics like work center setup and how to manage manufacturing orders. I've already linked a few of those in the description below in the video, so be sure to check those out. Odooers, all right, enough, talk enough. Chit chat, let's jump into our database. All right, welcome back of doers. Now, the first thing we need to do is check out the products that we want to make a bill of materials for. So, where do we go? Well, and over here in the products and right away, you can see a product called the. Now, this is something that I've set up for us ahead of time because I'd like to leave you surprises now. Let's take a look at it. So we're actually going to click into it. Now here, as you can see, I've already configured some basic information, just you know the most. Importantly though, we actually want to go over here into the inventory tab. Why are we here? And it's just to make sure that the manufacturer route is selected, since we'll be manufacturing this product ourselves. So now to create a BOM for this product, I can actually click on this little bill of material smart button that we have up here now. This will take me to the BOM template. And what is the BOM template now here? Odoo lets me actually create a few different things. Well, it lets me create as many BOMs for this product as I want. So I'm actually not limited to one and providing more flexibility around the product's design itself. So we're gonna. Now, as you notice, I can also create and view BOMs from the products menu at the top, which I'll do now just to show you. Now, as you can see, here's a list of all. Now, I want to create a new BOM for the kitchen cart. So again, I'm going to hit new, and then we're going to set the. Now we need a reference code here. In our case, we're just gonna leave that blank though. It's kind of mostly useful, especially if I have multiple versions of a product. In our case, I just have the one that I'm trying to make, so we don't need that now. I also have the option, as you notice, to designate a specific product variant, but this will be the focus of another tutorial video as well. So we're also going to leave